Roblox allows you to change your display name for free once every 7 days. Your display name is what other players see in game and in your profile, and it can be different from your username. Here's how to change it on your PC. First, you need to go to the Roblox official website, log into your account, or you can also use the Roblox app. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Settings. From the Settings menu, you need to go to the Account Info page. Now tap the pencil icon next to the display name option, which is in the top. Now type in your new display name that you want to set. Once done, tap on Save, which is highlighted in white color, and you'll be done. Remember that you must follow the Roblox community guidelines, and your display name must be 3 to 20 characters long. It can only be changed once in every 7 days. And display name can be the same as someone else's name, which is not unique. Only your username is unique on Roblox. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.